In August 2017, almost 1 million Rohingya people left Myanmar. Fleeing violence in their homeland, they found shelter in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, leaving everything behind to start again in an unfamiliar place. 5 years on, their basic needs are being met, but they face a hard life in the camps. In 2018, Rohingya respondents in an IOM mental health assessment said they were experiencing an identity crisis. Their language, culture, and way of life are disappearing. To keep the Rohingya culture alive, IOM and the community created the Rohingya Cultural Memory Centre. Over 3 years, a team of Rohingya artisans and researchers have created a collection of objects representing the Rohingya experience. Rohingya men, women, and children can now find peace, healing, and belonging by visiting the collection, hearing stories of Rohingya life from community tour guides, and engaging in fun, interactive, cultural activities. The center hosts weekly Women's and Girls' Days to highlight their contributions to Rohingya culture and life, and to ensure their equal participation. The skilled Rohingya men and women who created the Rohingya Cultural Memory Centre collection will manage the center, passing on their skills and knowledge to the younger generations.
At IOM, we are very proud of our work with the community to establish the Rohingya Cultural Memory Centre. This center's activities are crucial for supporting Rohingyas' mental well-being, championing their traditions, creating joy and healing, and ensuring that the Rohingya boys and girls growing up in the camps hold on to their traditions.